You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome. Today we're walking through the process of moving internationally with SDC International Shipping. The journey begins with an initial consultation during which you discuss your moving needs. You'll provide details about the size and nature of your shipment, your destination, and any specific requirements you might have. This allows SDC to give you a detailed, accurate quote. Once you've agreed to proceed, SDC will create a customized moving plan tailored to your specific needs. This plan will include timelines, packing instructions, and shipping options best suited for your volume of items. Their team of experts will guide you through the process, ensuring that every detail is addressed and your concerns are answered. Proper packing is crucial for the safety of your belongings during transit. SDC offers professional packing services to ensure that your items are securely packed using high-quality materials. Their team of experienced packers will handle everything from fragile items to bulky furniture, ensuring that each piece is protected. After packing, SDC will handle the loading process. For less than container load, or LCL, and groupage shipping, careful consolidation of shipment is essential. Their team will strategically load your belongings into the container, optimizing space and securing items to prevent movement during transit. Navigating custom regulations can be a complex part of international moving. SDC International Shipping provides comprehensive support with custom documentation and compliance. This ensures all necessary paperwork is completed accurately and submitted on time. Their expertise in international shipping regulations helps to prevent delays and complications at customs, and that makes for a smoother transit process. Once your container is loaded, it will be transported to the port for shipping. SDC International Shipping offers reliable and timely shipping options, ensuring that your items reach their destination as planned. Throughout the shipping process, you'll have access to tracking information, allowing you to monitor the process of your shipping in real time. Upon arrival at their destination port, SDC will handle the unloading and delivery of your belongings to your new home. Their team will coordinate with local agents to ensure a seamless handover and delivery process. If you have opted for unpacking services, SDC's team will assist with unpacking your items, helping you settle into your new home quickly and comfortably. SDC's International Shipping's commitment to customer satisfaction doesn't end with the delivery of your items. They offer post-move support to address any concerns or issues that might arise. Whether you need assistance with unpacking, arranging items, or handling any damages, their team is there to help you. You can learn more by checking out our website and chatting with our experts live on our helpline, or you can give us a call. Until next time, happy moving.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.